Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today, we're diving into the top 5 LMS plugins for WordPress. Let's jump right in. First is Fluent Community. While it's primarily a community plugin, it also includes a built-in LMS module, so you get community plus courses in one place. Key features: course builder using Gutenberg, lesson discussions, progress tracking, content drip, and multimedia embedding. If you want a site where learners engage with each other and take courses all in one place, this is a solid choice. 2 is Masterio LMS. This one is built specifically for course creation and selling. Highlight features: drag and drop course builder, quizzes and certificates, built-in order system and payment gateways, plus unlimited courses in the free version. If your main goal is building an e-learning platform rather than community plus courses, Masterio is very compelling. Third on our list is Tutor LMS, a well-established plugin used on many e-learning sites. Standout features include an advanced drag-and-drop course builder, various quiz types, drip content, live classes, and multi-instructor support. It's also strong in monetization and marketplace-style setups, so if you're building a full online school or course marketplace, this could be your go-to. Fourth is Lifter LMS. It's frequently listed among the top LMS plugins for WordPress. It gives you flexibility, course bundles, membership capabilities, and integrates with popular plugins, making it great for more complex setups. 5 is LearnPress LMS. This is a free and widely used plugin to create and sell courses on WordPress. Features include multimedia lessons, quizzes, content drip, and many add-ons for extra capability. It's a great option if you're on a tighter budget or just getting started.
We also provide WordPress development support. So if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.